In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to transfer voice memos from Apple Watch to iPhone. Apple Watch designed voice memos to sync automatically across Apple Watch, iPhone, iPad, and Mac when you use the same Apple ID. So first of all, you have to go to your iPhone, and in iPhone, open the Settings app. In Settings app, tap on your name. Tap on iCloud, tap on See All. In this list, you have to find out voice memos and must enable or turn on voice memos sync to iCloud option. And now on, whenever you record a new voice memos on your iPhone or on your Apple Watch, your voice memos will be automatically synced across your device. Now, go to your Apple Watch and open the Voice Memos app and just tap on this record button to start your voice recording. Then tap on stop. Wait a few seconds, it will sync to your iPhone automatically. On your iPhone, just go ahead and open the Voice Memos app. And here you'll find all of your Apple Watch voice memos. And make sure both your devices are signed in with the same Apple ID. And that's how you can actually do it.